Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new shelf on the Goodreads application, thereby creating a new folder for your books so you can organize them into distinct groups and categories based on your own aspects, such as genre or something else. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And now you should click on the My Books option down below. That's the second option. Now at the My Books section, click on this plus icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And now tap on the last option, Create New Shelf. First of all, you need to type in the name of your new folder. And then you should click on one of these suggested genres or aspects that relates to your folder the most. So click on it. And then you have created this new category, so you can add books, describe or you can explore new books. So these are now the classics. So if you want to add anything to that particular category, tap on the Want to Read button. Thereby you can create or you can add it to your shelf, but you can also create a new one by tapping on the Create a New Shelf button. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.